Hi, I am Karina Varela, and I am part of a product team within the Red Hat Application Services business unit. Well, about my involvement with our communities, for the past couple of years, I've had the pleasure of being part of the program committee responsible for the Jakarta One livestream Portuguese edition. Also, I'm a coordinator of the biggest Java community of the globe, SouJava, our Brazil's Java community. So, if you're interested in sharing, learning, and meeting other Java experts, find a local jug near you. We might even see each other there one of these days. For this particular release, I'm pretty excited and looking forward to using it and trying a lot of the new capabilities that will be out there. I'm also glad to see that vendors are already moving towards its adoption and towards implementing it so that we can have a larger ecosystem, more users, and also a more mature platform. And you might ask, why should I care about this release? Well, because after allowing for an easy transition from Java EE to Jakarta EE with versions 9.x, we can finally bring innovation to the platform. And to bring that innovation, we will need to release several major versions of the specifications. In other words, we will bring new features, deprecate or even remove features that are no longer needed. And numbers don't lie. From a total of 30 specifications in the platform, we have at least 23 that are being released in a new major version. So expect for a lot of innovation there. Now that's a tough task, selecting only one favorite feature. My heart is kind of split in between the core profile, that is a new profile that is being added, and the CDI 4.0 new capabilities. But if I should pick one, I'll pick CDI 4.0, and I'll tell you why. In CDI, they split up the core DI into two subsets of core capabilities, and that allowed for the inclusion of CDI Lite into the platform. So with these changes, we have now, through CDI, an expansion of the use cases that we can cover, including native compilation and transcompilation. Imagine all the cool things we can do other than this. Well, for new versions of Jakarta EE, I think it would be good to offer developers an abstraction layer for how we interact with NoSQL databases. So it would be cool to see the JNoSQL specification that is currently in the draft mode being part of the platform. It's quite a challenge to try to make as many people as possible to feel happy about the release cadence. We will have the group of developers who want to have their hands on the latest and greatest features as soon as possible through the Jakarta EE platform. We will also have the more conservative users who are seeking into leaving their code there. Do not touch it. It's working. I don't want to change anything. And we cannot forget the vendors who are always looking into certifying their own implementations of new releases. So, in my opinion, if we can get through this with a transparent process where we can engage others for feedback and collaboration, we will have better chances of coming out of this with a best possible solution where even if the definition is not the one that makes everybody happy, people will feel included and they will understand all the reasons why that decision was made. Oi, tudo bom? Você viu que o Jakarta EE 10 já tá para sair? Pois é, mais de metade das especificações vai ter Major Release, então tem muita funcionalidade que vinha sendo pedida aí na comunidade para ser parte da plataforma que vai estar lá, e tem até especificação nova que nem o CDI Lite, hein? Então fica ligado que eu acho que você vai gostar.